changes in the backroom staff of Team India, and the coaches and the assistant coaches and etc.
Chalo, at least indirectly, in a way, you are saying, you're missing Duncan Fletcher, because I felt, he was one guy who was never really appreciated by the media, but he did all the hard work. He was with the team for a long time. He went ahead to a few tours, which were really tough tours, but I don't think we should blame the support staff, because ultimately it's the individuals that go on and, they have to adapt, or they have to use their senses to see what really needs to be done. So I don't think it's a support staff. If you're indirectly hinting we need a coach and all of that, I think we had enough people in the support staff, to really take care of us. And also not to forget, the changes were made, and these guys, when they came in, we did really well in Australia, apart from the Tri-Series, the World Cup, and even the ODIs in England, we did well. So let's not have a very short time memory, over the long run. If you see their stats, I don't know whether the support staff stats really matters, but they have been really good.
When you see this lot of players and you're saying that the backroom staffs are okay, then do you feel that it's time to change the captaincy by the team, or maybe a new fresh approach like this team?
Well, that's a very good question. I'm always the one who is blamed for Indian cricket, so maybe that's a ultimate thing, that needs to be done, because it's all because of me that everything is happening.
Last 3 questions.
Even the Bangladeshi media is smiling,
Captain, India lost 5 ODIs against Bangladesh, and as far as you know, you saw all defeat, and you were the only one player of Indian team who saw all defeats. What would you say?
Well, nothing that also goes into the stats. If you play long enough, you see all the good and the bad days of cricket. But you survive, you keep moving forward, you keep improving. But definitely, what I would like to say is, the first time when we lost to them compared to the team that played today or the last couple of games, there have been a lot of improvement in the side. Definitely they have got very good bowlers now. Initially, if you see, they used to rely a lot on spinners, but now they've got a set of fast bowlers who can do the job, but at the same time, they also have spinners if needed. So that makes it a good team. And also what's important is not only to have quick bowlers, what line and length they are bowling is something that's very important. Knowing your strength is important. So I felt these are the areas, where they have really improved. And that's why you're seeing consistent good performance from them. No, it's not our ad, it was made by somebody else. No, nothing. Even initially when it was, we don't really react to that.
Last question, please.
Right from 2011 onwards, the results have not gone like you were used to. But I know being a captain of India is a great honor. But is it beginning to, are you beginning to not enjoy it anymore? Any thoughts on that?
No, I'm really enjoying my cricket. I know this question was coming, especially when he asked the first one. I know the media really loves me. So, these are the questions that will always keep popping up. But, yes, if it's a justifiable thing that, if you remove me and the Indian cricket will start doing really well, and if I am the reason for all the bad that's happening to Indian cricket, definitely I would love to step away and, play as a player, because ultimately what's more important is for the Indian team to win. It doesn't really matter who's the captain, because, I was never really in line to become the captain. It was a job or a responsibility for me. I've taken that responsibility. It was given to me. I've taken it. They want to take it away from me. I'm happy, because for me, what's more important is to play for the country and, try to contribute whenever we win. And, if we can keep the dressing room atmosphere good, where the youngsters who are coming in, they can come and they can perform, that will be the ultimate achievement for me. And also, it has been slightly different. Indian cricket has been quite used to getting players who are really toned, real good, and, ready for international cricket. Now it has changed. You have to grind it through. Cricket has changed and all of that. So, we have had some tough times, but, that's what cricket is all about. You can't really win each and every series that you play.
भाई एक छोटा सवाल है, इससे रिलेटेड फिर बात अधूरी रह जाएगी, फिर कुछ मतलब निकलेंगे उसके। आपने बोला कि अगर सारा मेरे से होता है, आपके पास कुछ प्लान है कि आपने बहुत पीक पे देखा है इंडियन टीम को, आप लेके भी गए हैं, परफॉर्मेंस बहुत थी आपकी, तो यहाँ से आगे इतना लो देखने के बाद माही के पास क्या प्लान है इस टीम के लिए, और कोच की भी क्या जरूरत होगी उसके लिए?
नहीं, अगर आप देखें तो जहाँ तक कोच की बात है ना, तो अगर कुछ समय के लिए कोच की वैकेंसी खाली भी रहे, इट डजंट रियली हैव अ बिग इम्पैक्ट बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेक द राइट मैन इन। कोच नहीं है, अच्छा किसी को डाल दो वहाँ पे। अगर आप ऐसे डिसाइड करेंगे ना तो इन द लॉन्गर रन इट हैज़ अ वेरी बैड इम्पैक्ट। सो यू हैव टू सी व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस। इसमें टाइम लगता है, ऑफकोर्स हमारे पास वो टाइम नहीं होता है क्योंकि हम बैक टू बैक सीरीज खेलते रहते हैं। तो हम कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि यार बिना कोच के वी हैव रवि शास्त्री इज देयर, आइदर यू थिंक इज नॉट गुड इनफ। There are others also who have done good with the team. And as I said, जब इंग्लैंड में हमने अच्छा नहीं किया था टेस्ट सीरीज में तो चेंजेस हुए थे। भरत एंड संजय दे बिकेम पार्ट ऑफ द टीम। ओडीआई हम वहाँ पे जीते। फिर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में देयर वाज अ डिसेंट परफॉर्मेंस, बट वर्ल्ड कप में हमने वापस अच्छा किया। सो दे हैव बीन अप्स एंड डाउन्स, बट जस्ट टू ब्लेम द सपोर्ट स्टाफ फॉर इट इज नॉट गुड।
आपका प्लान क्या है आगे, आप यहाँ से कैसे जाएंगे, क्योंकि आपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निभाई है टीम इंडिया की और बहुत कुछ अचीव भी किया आपकी कप्तानी में। यहाँ से लो पॉइंट मान रहे हैं सब लोग, इसको आप खुद भी मान रहे हैं कि हाँ बड़ा झटका है। यहाँ से माही भाई का क्या प्लान है आगे इस टीम इंडिया को ले जाने के लिए लोएस्ट पॉइंट से?
नहीं, अगर आप देखें तो प्लानिंग इतने जल्दी और इतने छोटे समय में नहीं होती है। अगर आप देखें तो इट्स ऑलवेज अ लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस, जो धीरे धीरे आप चीज़ों को सही जगह पे रखते हैं, सही तरीके से यंगस्टर्स को सही डायरेक्शन में पुश करते हैं, जिसके कारण जो रिजल्ट्स आप अचीव करना चाहते हो वो आप अचीव करते हो। इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि मैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बैठ के ड्राइंग बोर्ड पे बता दूं अच्छा हम यहाँ ये करेंगे, इससे हमारा ये रिजल्ट है। ऑफकोर्स काफ़ी कुछ सोच के रखा है, बट दैट्स मोर फॉर द टीम एंड द टीम एनवायरमेंट एंड फॉर BCCI, नॉट टू से एवरीथिंग।